Okay, y'all, so I have cooked my cube steak in the skillet, as you can see it's smoking, until it turns like brown on each side. Okay, so now I have placed the cube steak in this glass baking dish, and I'm only cooking 4. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 can of French onion soup on top of the cube steak. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, y'all. The onion on top of the meat. The flavor is going to soak into the meat, and it's going to taste really good. Okay, so I've covered the dish with aluminum foil, and I'm going to bake it on 400 for about 40 minutes. Okay, y'all, so this is what my cube steak is looking like. It's smothered with the onions. Got some white rice and some seasoned green beans. Okay, so I'm going to cut into it. See how tender that is? It's going to taste so good.